Yo, what the deal? It's your boy X.E.L.O. We back at it again in Cakewalk. Hey man, if y'all new here to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'll let y'all know when I drop another video. But I have no idea what we're gonna do today. None whatsoever. I'm just gonna start from scratch to see where we go. Alright, y'all ready? Let's go. Alright, so I'm gonna use something that people don't really use, the E-piano. All right. I hit Control and then hit the number 8 on the number pad, which will bring it up an octave. All right, shift D out of here. I'm actually going to get another instrument. I'm gonna do a Control C, a Control V, and then a Control 8 to pull it up. So basically I copied it, pasted it, and then moved it up an octave. All right, I'm just gonna copy this over here. Let me, I'm gonna use the Control and the up on the 8, put it in the middle. And what I wanna try to do is see if it'll let me do it. I'm gonna go to the MIDI over here. Let's see if it'll let it ARP. And all right, I'm gonna mute these other ones and just play the labs. All right, and that is how you would get your staccato kind of notes going inside there and by doing a record on it. And also using your art. So now when I go in here, you'll see the art. I kind of like these over here a little better. So I'm gonna grab these. I'm gonna hold down Control when I see the So there you go. So now let's see if we can add some samples in here. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna insert an audio track and I'm gonna pull in a loop. All right, so usually what happens when you put a loop in here, it shouldn't go to the groove clip, but for some reason it turned on the groove clip, so it was looping and stretching it to the tempo. All right, so now I'm gonna do a shift, Control and Shift, and you see those lines, that means I can actually move it. I'm just gonna pull it back by one, just so it's on the 2 bars. So that should sound right. All right, and I like to bounce the clip again, just see, because it has this 96% means that I moved it. So I'm just gonna bounce it to clip, and it should be at 100% now. So what I want to do, and as you see, it has that highlighted for that whole bar. So now I can do a Control and D, and it'll copy it over. All right. All right, so let's get some drums. I'm going to use the Satila. Alright, so now that we have Satila, I'm gonna actually just freelance it from the keyboard here. So let's see what we can come up with. I know you usually don't quantize hip hop drums like that, but today is the day. Let's get this in there. All right, and that pretty much wraps it up, man. It's another real quick hip hop beat for y'all. Y'all have like any questions, concerns, definitely leave a link below in the comment section. And once again, it's your boy X.E.L.O. If y'all really like this video, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I'll let y'all know when I drop another video. But until then,